Hi everyone, my name is Jerry, the company is Ectaco, so you know I have something great to show you today. This is the brand new Partner LUX 2. It's the latest and greatest in language learning and travel technology. It's a completely feedback-driven machine which is based off of the Partner LUX 1. You'll notice a lot of similarities between Partner LUX 2 and Partner LUX 1. Mainly the design is very similar. It has a laptop mode, it has a tablet mode. You can twist the screen, pop it down like that, use it in tablet mode. And it has all of the same great voice recognition and language teaching programs on there. For one, you can press a button, you could say anything you want in one language, it will translate it for you into another, or vice versa. This is great for communicating with locals if you're in Spain, Germany, basically anywhere that you're going to need to travel. Additionally, there's a program on here called Language Teacher. Language Teacher can teach you an entire language from start to finish, and it uses voice recognition. I'll actually get into that in just a second. Now, Partner LUX 2 has a ton of new features, both hardware and software. You'll see a computer monitor sitting right next to me, and the reason for that is that you can actually hook up the Partner LUX 2 to a monitor using an HDMI cable. I just turned it on and voila, there you go. This is great if you need just a bigger monitor. Your eyesight might be a little bit poor. You can utilize that. If you're a teacher teaching in a classroom, you can put Partner LUX on a big screen TV, a projector, basically anything with an HDMI cable. Now you may be wondering about some of the new programs on here. One of them is a photo translator. Let's say you're walking down a street in Italy and you see a great big sign in Italian and you want to know what does that sign say. Well, you can use the camera that's actually integrated on the Partner LUX, take a picture of the sign, and it will translate for you. Now I have just a short thing of text right here on this piece of paper, and I'll show you how it works. Go into Photo Translator, which is that app right there. We're going to select Photo Text. And now I'm going to use my finger on the touchscreen and just make sure the text is in the frame. Just like that is perfect. Now I'm going to press the blue button on top. It's going to take a second or two to process. You'll see it on the screen. And there it is. That's in English. Now to get the translation, we're going to press the green check mark. Now translate. And instantly it translates just below for you in Spanish. If you want to hear it, you can press the menu button and say.
Hola, ¿cuál es su nombre? ¿Dónde usted vino de? Yo tengo un dolor del diente.
Awesome. Now I promise to show you guys Language Teacher if you want to see it, just as a refresher. We'll go back. Language Teacher is there. It's actually the purple icon right here on the screen. We'll learn Spanish, and it has a bunch of different difficulty levels. So if you're just starting off, alphabet and words is good for you. If you're more advanced, phrases and dialogues is awesome. We'll go to words.
Mañana.
Now we can just say a word and it will show us our vocal output here, and it will basically rate our pronunciation. So I'm going to press the microphone button. Mañana.
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 Okay, so I need a little bit of work, but you can see where I stressed more towards the end rather than drawing it out along the entire word. Now I showed you Language Teacher to tell you about Language Teacher 2. Language Teacher 2 has about 6,000 to 8,000 different words, and it just trains the words in the different language into your memory. It will just really drill them in there. And that's the program you see right here. So it's got the little graduation cap with the picture there. And what's great about Language Teacher 2 also is that you can select which category you want to learn with. So after I press Learn Spanish, you can see the different categories. We'll go back. Next program I'll show you is ULearn. That's the one right here with the little L. ULearn is a completely hands-free and eyes-free program. So you can basically use it when you're doing just about anything. It's also voice interactive, so you don't have to touch the screen or anything. You just start ULearn and it's good to go. ULearn 2, which is down here, is an extension of that. That's also a new program that's exclusive to the Partner LUX 2. If I swipe my finger on the screen here, you'll see another thing that's new to the Partner Lux 2, which is the word of the day. It's right down there, and if you've seen that word before, you can just tap on it, and it will change to another one. Don't forget about all the other programs that are on the Partner Lux 2. You have a dictionary, so you can look up a word. You can see the translation in another language. All voice output, so you can hear the word. There's idioms on here, irregular verbs, language teaching courses, just about everything that you're going to need. Now I'm showing it to you in Spanish, but we do have over 40 languages currently available. And don't forget, I touched on just a fraction of what this device can do. You can even download more programs in an application store if you wanted to. You can find this device and more at www.ectaco.com. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. My email address is jerry@ectaco.com.